there everybody, welcome to another video by me, Mr. Drone. I am currently down by the Isle of Man ferry terminal. You can see right there the newest ship, the newest Isle of Man ship, the Manxman, is coming in for its berthing trials at the Isle of Man ferry terminal. So it's getting close now, so we're going to get up in the air and have a look at it. It's just another thing to cover on this project, another milestone they've reached with this new ship. So as it's getting close now, we're going to get up in the air and have a look at it coming in and catch some of this the berthing trial. Let's get up there. Okay, there you go everybody, I hope you enjoyed that video. We did catch the tail going down and we did catch some vehicles going in, and it looks great sitting there, doesn't it? Brand new boat, all its lights on and everything. So yeah, like I say, if you enjoyed that video, just something else I wanted to bring to you regarding this project, which I've been covering for a few years. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video guys. Please like, share and subscribe. My apologies guys, something I forgot to mention, I neglected to mention, was Zoe's Place is a local children's hospice in Liverpool. It provides palliative and end-of-life care and respite for babies and children 0 to 5 years old and their families. And it announced last week, I think it was, that it's having to close due to a lack of funding for a new premises. It can't be allowed to happen. It's massive to a lot of people's hearts in Liverpool and helped so many families and will help so many more families that are so unfortunate. So I have a buy me a coffee link. I always say buy me a beer, and have done throughout my channel. It's there. I'll share the link there. Show you I've only got £30 in it at the moment, and that was donated just last week and this week by somebody. Anything raised from this point, definitely till the end of October, or maybe longer, will be donated to Zoe's Place. We'll go directly to Zoe's Place. So if you could spare £1, £5, whatever, please donate there, and I will get it to Zoe's Place, and I will keep you updated on the amount in the accounts that we've all managed to put together and donate over to them as well. Okay, no pressure at all, guys. It is a very worthy cause, but I do know that times are not great for a lot of people at the moment as well, so no pressure whatsoever. But if you can, there's the link. Okay, thank you very much, guys.